Hi guys, welcome back to Masking Possible by Susan YouTube channel. Today we're going to discuss challenge mathematics question in grade 9. It's about congruence and similarity. Now, if you accept the challenge, pause this video for 15 minutes and find your answer. After that, you can check the steps and answers. So for question 1a, we are going to discuss, prove that triangle AEF and CDF are similar. So these are the steps. Vertically opposite angles are equal. So these angles in here, marked in here, are equals. AF equals to angle CDF, CFDM. So next, alternate angles are equal. So in red, angle EAF equals to angle DCF. Next, since two angles in both triangles are equal, so the third angle must be equal. They are angles in green, so angle AEF equals to angle CDF. So hence triangle AEF and CDF are similar. So we're going to discuss question B in the next short. Please subscribe to this channel, and for more quiz and challenge question, or you have any required, please write in the comment section. See